Hello, I will analyze the Titanic ship data who was survived their life in the ship while sunk in April 15, 1912. First of all, to read a CSV file. Then how to read a file? That is read a CSV file. First of all, we make a data set that is which is known as dv read.csv, and the file path where the my Titanic dot .csv is located. Okay, then we saw that select that file, then run it, then run successfully. How to CSV file view? To view the CSV file, we have the command that is view command, view, and the dataset name. This command is used to view the data in the dataset. Okay, how to run? Select it and then run it. This is the data to be analyzed. Okay, that is the passenger ID, survived, P class, survived means 0 means not survived, 1 is survived, name, sex, age, and so on. Then how to display the top 10 and the bottom 10 data. Display top 10 data in dataset. Head command is used to view the top 10 data in the dataset, that is dv space 10. How much data to be seen from the top? That is 10. And how to run it? Select it and run. And this is the top 10 data to be displayed. Okay, and then similarly top bottom 10 data display. That is tail. Tail command is used to bottom data, to show the bottom 10 data. If we specify the 10 here, how to run it? Select and then run. This is your bottom 10. Because data is so large, if we divide the data from head and tail, then divide it. Then how much columns, names, which is defined, which is shows that the names of the column present in the data set. that is DB. DB is a data set. Then select it and paste. This is a column name, that is passenger ID, survive, B class, name, sex, age, SIB, SP, tirage, ticket, fare, cabin, and embark. Okay, and summary str command is used to structure of data set, data type of each attribute, and number of rows and column present in the data. Select and then run it. Okay, this shows the data types and data set. Okay, next, summary. Summary shows the summarize each attribute in the data set. It gives a set of descriptive statistics depending on type of variable. In case of numeric variable, gives mean, median, minimum, maximum, range, quantiles, etc. In case of factor variable, give the table with the frequencies. Okay, and in case of factor plus numerical variables, gives the number of missing values. In case of character variable, we have to give the length of the class, that is the total length 891 in the name class. The summary statistics needs the summary statistics of a particular variable in the data set if we use. Okay, then S factor. What is this work? Some of the variables in the data set are the factors but might get interpreted as numeric. For example, P class means the passenger class takes the value 1, 2 and 3. So first class, second class and third class. But they are not considered as a numeric, and this is considered as a numeric without any conversion in the R. So they are treated as a factor, not a number. We need to explicitly convert them to factor using the function as a factor, and which gives how to convert the factor. First of all, we name the data set and the column name which is to be factorized. Survive, because it came a two value 0 and 1, not a numeric, that is a factor. This is a factor, so it converted into numerical to factor. So as factor this, and then db is factor survive. Okay, this converted into the factor. Okay, successfully run. Similarly, we will convert it into a P class. Okay, then text because to a male or female, it is a male or female, two category, so it is a factor. Then factor, and another is that is embarked okay. These are the factors, and I want to convert that numeric value to the factor. So select it and run it. All are run successfully. And this is all for the data. Okay, this is all for the data. Next, we have to analyze and visualization of the data. So now we have to analyze and visualizations of data using R. Data visualization is an art of turning data into insights then we can be easily interpreted. Okay, then what are the analysis will be done in the project? That is a survive rate. What is survive rate? How many people did survive and which age of the people are survive and which type of people, that is gender, male or female, are survive. Okay, we have to analysis and which type of passenger class will be survive. We all are analysis in this project. First of all, we have imports install all the files, that is install required file, that is install all packages, install dot packages to install the packages. Okay, that is ggplot2. Okay, we have already installed in this ggplot2. Install packages dpl r package is already installed. We have the include the library, that is package, that is library keyword is used. Okay, then ggplot2, the package will be included in the project. Another library, that is dplyr package is installed. Okay, this is included in the is already installed in the computer. And one more package is that is data.table, that is library used to form a table. Data.table frame, we convert it into the frame. These three libraries are included in this project. First of all, we plot a bar graph that is only survived in the Titanic ship, that is ggplot. Okay, then first is dataset, that is a db comma statistics AES statistics na x equal to survive, only a survived person will be visualized. Then this graph plot that plus to the geometric hyphen bar. The graph is a bar graph, for which to this command we display the bar graph of the survived people in the dataset db. How to run it? Select and run. That is the bar graph. Okay, we have to zoom it. Okay, means 0 means not survived, 1 is survived. Okay, 3 nearly the 350 we have survived, otherwise more than the 550 is unsurvived, means not survived. Okay, then we have a plot table, because we know the percentage, we know that the we don't know that what are the percentage of that figure, survive and not. We have to calculate it. So prop table, prop table are used. Okay, and table that is dv and variable survived is a this. How to analyze it? Select and run it. These are the answers. Means 61% people are not survived, 38% people are survived in the Titanic ship. Okay, then survive rate basis on the base of gender, that is gg plot dataset is db comma AES then x equal to sex comma field equal to survived. Okay, field equal to survived plus theme of the window is the bar graph. Theme of the graph, that is theme dw plus gem bar plus labs y. So we have to specify the labels in the graph, that is the labs y, denote in y axis we denote number of passengers number of passengers, comma, and the title of the figure is survival rate by gender. How to run it? Select the line which is to be run and then run. We show the graph. On doing this, red is not survived, blue is survived. Means female people is survived. From that, blue indicates the survived people, and the red indicates the not survived people. Okay. Again. Then survive rate on the basis of the passenger class. Means survive rate by the passenger class, P class. Passenger class. That is X knows the P class. Okay. Then survive, because survive versus the passenger class, and all are same. Select it and run it. Then this is the class 1, 2 and 3, and we see that the first and second class is proportionally survived with our 60%. Okay. Then third class is 25% rate. Okay. Then survive rate basis class of ticket and gender, both are. How to calculate it? VG now we have plot the graph, that is the sex and P class versus the survive. That is, to plot a graph we have to take the ggplot. Okay. Then we have class. In the class they have defined which class, in which class male or female are survive more. So we have facet, facility, facet, grid, from which till, and then sex. That is to find out the in which class how much male or female are survived. So view that graph by selecting it and then run it. This is a graph plot. This shows that they are the two sex, that is a male and female. On the female, we have shown that the highest survival rate of female in class 1 and class 3 and 2 are the same rate, survival rate, and then while in the second class the survival rate of the male is minimum. Okay, then we have calculate uh, histogram gave which type of age are survived in the sick. So we draw a GG plot. Okay, then DV comma AES X equals age, because we find out number which type of people will survive in the sick. That is fill equals survived plus thin BW plus I want to represent a graph in histogram. So geometric underscore histogram underscore histogram. This is histogram. This is a histogram. Okay. In the histogram, we have to define by default bandwidth. What a bandwidth of the histogram? I will take a 50. That is by default 50 bandwidth. Sorry, 5 bandwidth. Okay. Then plus and labels, that is labs, x label equal to age. So age versus, find out the age versus the survive. So x is age and y is number of people will be survived, then number of passengers. Okay, look it by selecting that line and then turn it. You have to find out the histogram. The blue shows the survive and red shows the not survive. We have find out the age below 10. Age below 10, the survival rate is high because not survive is less than the survived percent, and the survival rate is low and drop beyond the age 45. Okay, from this graph the analysis that. Then we have to plot the graph age, the sex and the P class versus the survival rate. So we have copy that line and then paste it, then facet are used, web, because web the data, because 3 data is used, sex, P class and age. So first is sex, and then T class. Okay, then we will select that line and run it. This title in this error you have not taken a time place. Okay, and this graph is shows that this graph is shows that the in class 1, 2 and 3 the female and female people, the male people, that is 1, 2, 3 class, and the survivor age we calculated the 0 to 80. ठीक है ना, that is the graph between 0 to 80. In this we have looking at age, we have to find out the survival rate of the children across first class and second class. First class and the second class was the highest except for the one girl child. Okay, except the one girl child. This is traveling first and second class survive, and the survival rate are lowest for men traveling the third class. Okay, that is the analysis of data in the Titanic ship. Okay, then thank you for it.